If you've ever bitten into a dry, overcooked pork chop, you know the struggle. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, 365 by Whole Foods Market Ground Pork. Let's kick things off with the 365 by Whole Foods Market Ground Pork. I was drawn to it because of its clean label and ethical sourcing, and at a great price point, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to whip up some juicy fried pork chops. If you want to serve a dish you can feel good about, this is worth a serious look. This ground pork meets strict standards for animal welfare and has no added growth hormones or antibiotics. That means your meal isn't just tasty, it's also healthier. With 8,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear people trust this brand for their cooking. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Knowing where your meat comes from can make a big difference, especially when it comes to flavor and health. You can expect a rich taste that really shines when cooked right. Now, some people complain about the price being a bit higher than regular ground pork. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for quality, especially in your fried pork chops, the extra cost can be worth it for the peace of mind and flavor you get. This is perfect for you if you care about ethical sourcing and want a pork product that stands out in taste. Skip this one if you're looking for the cheapest option without consideration for quality. It's reasonably priced for what you get. Now, if you're not sold on ground pork, the next one might catch your eye with its unique flavor profile. Product number 2, Niman Ranch Pulled Smoked Pork. Next up is the Niman Ranch Pulled Smoked Pork. This caught my attention with its applewood smoked flavor, and at a competitive price point, it's a fantastic option for quick fried pork chops with a twist. If you want something that's packed with flavor and ready to go, check this out. This pork is not only delicious but meets strict animal welfare standards, and it's hormone-free. The applewood smoke gives it a deep, rich flavor that really enhances your dishes. Plus, with over 6,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among those who appreciate quality meats. Here's why this matters. The smokiness pairs perfectly with a crispy fried exterior, making every bite an experience. Now, some reviews mention that it can be a bit on the salty side. But honestly, for those who enjoy a punch of flavor, that might actually be a selling point rather than a drawback. This is a solid choice if you're after convenience without sacrificing flavor. Skip this if you prefer plain pork or are watching your sodium intake. For the flavor you get, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want organic options. Product number 3, Dubreton Organic Boneless Pork Loin Chops. Moving on, we have the Dubreton Organic Boneless Pork Loin Chops. I was impressed by their organic credentials, and while they're a bit pricier, they're an excellent choice for health-conscious cooks. If you want organic chops that don't compromise on flavor, this is worth checking out. These pork chops are certified organic and come from animals raised without growth hormones or antibiotics. That means you get a cleaner product on your plate, which is especially important if you're feeding a family. With over 2,000 units sold recently, they're gaining a following for good reason. Here's why this matters. Organic pork is often more flavorful and tender, making it ideal for frying up perfectly crispy chops. Some people have noted that they can be a bit tough if overcooked. But here's the thing, if you monitor the cooking time closely, you'll have incredibly juicy and flavorful chops. This is perfect for you if you prioritize organic ingredients and want a healthy meal option. Skip this if you're on a tight budget for meat. Considering the quality, it's a fair price. Now, if that one didn't suit your needs, the next product is for those who want something quick and crunchy. Product number 4, Dubreton Organic Bone-In Pork Loin Chops. Next, let's talk about the Dubreton Organic Bone-In Pork Loin Chops. I was intrigued by the bone-in feature, which adds flavor, and they're similarly priced to the previous organic option. If you want juicy, flavorful chops that bring a bit of flair to your meals, take a look at these. These chops also come from organic, humanely raised pigs, and they boast the same great qualities as the boneless version. The bone-in aspect means more flavor, which is crucial when frying. The Global Animal Partnership rates them highly, so you know you're getting a quality product. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clear that people appreciate the taste and ethics behind this product. Some consumers mentioned they can be tricky to cook evenly due to the bone. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the extra flavor is totally worth it, and you can impress your guests with your cooking skills. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a flavorful, juicy chop and want to impress at dinner. Skip this if you prefer more straightforward cooking without dealing with bones. For the quality, these are fairly priced. Alright, that was a great option for meat lovers. But if you're looking for something crispy and light, the next one is for you. Product number 5, Lawry's Bacon Curls Microwave Pork Rinds. Finally, we have the Lawry's Bacon Curls Microwave Pork Rinds. I had to include these because they're a fun twist on pork, and at a budget-friendly price, they're perfect for snacking or as a crunchy topping. If you want a quick and satisfying crunch, these might just be your new favorite. These microwavable pork rinds are hot and crispy without the mess of frying. With less than 1 g of total carbs and 6 g of protein per serving, they're a fantastic option for anyone on a low-carb diet. They've sold over 1,000 units recently, which speaks to their popularity. Here's why this matters. They're easy to prepare and perfect for a quick snack or to add some crunch to your dishes. Some people found them a bit too light and airy compared to traditional pork rinds. I'll be real with you, if you're expecting that dense, hearty crunch, this might not be for you. But if you're looking for a convenient snack, they do the job quite well. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, low-carb snack that's easy to make. Skip this if you're looking for a hearty fried chop experience. For the price, they're a fun addition. Now let's wrap this up with a quick comparison. So to quickly recap, we've looked at ground pork from Whole Foods, Niman Ranch's pulled smoked pork, the organic boneless and bone-in chops from Dubreton, and Lawry's microwave pork rinds. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Dubreton organic boneless pork loin chops because they offer the best balance of flavor and health. Avoid the Lawry's pork rinds if you're truly craving a hearty pork chop experience. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.